you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Simply Earth for March. Do you want to know what is inside March's box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my March Simply Earth box just arrived, and if it looks a little different, it is because this has the bonus box with it as well. With my code, you get this free with your first sign up, and I'm so glad to now have this to show you guys what is all included in the bonus box. So I'm going to show you what's in this month's recipe box, and then I'm going to show you what's in the bonus box so you can kind of get a feel of what you would receive on your first subscription if you use my code, because you'll get this one for free. So let's go ahead and dive in here. This one says it's handpicked by Katie, and that must be who packaged my box. So when you open it up, there's the monthly recipe box that they fit right on top, and then everything that's for the bonus box is down underneath. If I can get this box off. There we go. So everything is down in here in the bonus box, which I will get into after I show you what is inside of here. And Simply Earth, they always do donate 13% to end human trafficking, which I love. Now this one, they double dipped because Cheryl packaged this box, but Katie packaged that box. They're double dipping. So let's go ahead and get in here and see how Cheryl packaged my monthly recipe box. All right, you guys, so that's what it looks like when you open it up. Oh, the diffuser, that's right, because they do give you a hint for the following month's theme and what to expect. And that's right, we're gonna be making a diffuser. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. So here's what it looks like inside, and these are all on top. So let's go through. They always do give you this right here, and this has the stickers and everything that you need. And I do really like that they've changed this up because now they're putting in how to use them, the ingredients in them, what's safe for which, and before they didn't have all that extra information. So I really do appreciate that they've added that. So whatever you are making, you can stick the sticker on it and you know what's inside, you know what is in it, and you're not trying to play a guessing game of what essentials are these? They have you covered. And then they do just put in the little extra little round ones. So if you're gonna like make your own and you wanna mix this with that, you can put those on there so you know what's actually inside of that container or whatever it is that you just made. So let's go ahead and go through and see what we're going to be making. Okay, so this month's recipes, we're gonna be making a DIY lava rock diffuser. Ooh. 1 minute, shelf life is refresh as needed. Ingredients is lava beads, a bowl or a fake plant or jewelry that you need to supply, and 5 drops of essential oils. And here are these are lava beads. This definitely isn't enough to like make a bracelet out of, but here are a few little beads that are down inside. Let me show you guys. These are a natural diffuser lava. I wonder what do you do with these then? It says make a necklace, create a bracelet, place the beads in a pot of fake plants, or put your beads in a small bowl. Okay, so if you wanted to make a bracelet, you're definitely gonna need more or add other beads to them. And then, because that's all of the beads that there are. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can either stick them in something or add them to other beads to make like a little bracelet or something, but that would be what we're using for the lava rock diffuser. And then we have a DIY reed diffuser. 2 minutes, shelf life is refresh after 6 weeks or needed. You have 5 reeds, which are included right here. Here are the 5 reeds, and you need a small little jar to put them in because they're not very tall, but you just need like a smaller jar, so that's okay. So here's 5 of the reeds. You need 2 tablespoons of vodka, which you need to supply that yourself. 25 drops of essential oils, 2 tablespoons of distilled water, which you need to supply, and a small or a narrowed neck jar, which you need to supply. So you can stick these in to make this reed diffuser. So that is awesome. Now, there's even, on the back of this card, it says bonus diffuser recipe. So this says 1 minute, shelf life is 1 day. Whimsy diffuser blend, 3 drops of orange essential oil and 2 drops of patchouli essential oil, or there's a Joy diffuser blend. So here's just a little extra added bonus diffuser recipes for this box as well. And then there is the DIY Lava Rock diffuser. And then this is the Reed diffuser. So then now we are going to be going over Anxiety Relief Inhaler. So that's probably where you're gonna be getting this. So in here, you have this little guy that's gonna saturate all the oils, and you're gonna place that inside of here. And then when you open it up, you'll have this inside, and you'll be inhaling all of the scent that's inside of that thing. So I can't wait to try this guy out. So it gives you that inhaler, and this takes 1 minute. Shelf life is refresh as needed. 3 drops of orange essential oil, 1 drop of energy essential oil, and 1 aromatherapy inhaler, which they've included. So there is that recipe right there. Then we have It's Okay to Grieve diffuser blend. 2 minutes, shelf life is 1 year, and you're going to use 2 drops of cypress essential oil, 2 drops of orange essential oil, and 1 drop of patchouli essential oil. So there's that one. Now it's a preserve roll-on, and then inside of the bonus box is where you have the roll-ons, which we'll get to. So this is 1 minute to make, and I do like that they're adding that to here, and they normally do say kid-friendly and that kind of thing, but they're on the one that has the essential oils. So 1 minute, shelf life is 1 year. 3 drops of energy essential oil, 3 drops of cypress, 10 milliliter of coconut oil, and 10 milliliter roll-on bottle. So there's that one. And then here's Creative Zone diffuser blend. So there's a lot of diffusing we're gonna be doing this month. 2 minutes, shelf life 1 year. Ingredients: 1 drop of cypress essential oil, 3 drops of orange essential oil, and 2 drops of energy essential oil. And there's that. So it says, a note from Katie. Hi, Earthy. Remember mood rings? Yeah, I do. And I'm always warm, so mine always instantly went to like a dark blue black color, like all the time. That was my mood all the time. They're the rings that are supposed to change colors based on your mood. They usually don't work very well. But wouldn't it be nice if it were that easy to understand emotions? The theme of this box is Mood Boost. It's designed to support you through times of grief or trial and show off your creative gifts. Use these oils as a tool to support you through every situation. Don't miss the bonus diffuse recipe on the back of the DIY Lava Rock diffuser recipe card. You can pick from one of those or the other diffuser blends listed on the box to use in your DIY diffuser recipes. We would love to see your creations and learn about the blends you chose. So that was a note from Katie. So that is the theme and why this box was designed with these specific recipes to kind of help with different situations on clearing and just getting a better energy. I like that. Now it says the oils for this month. It says, what's in your recipe box? A home free of toxic chemicals without breaking the bank. So here is energy, usage, warms, reduces the appearance of spider veins. Ingredients is eucalyptus, lemon, and peppermint essential oils. Safety, always dilute before using on your skin. Kid safe 10 plus, pregnancy safe no, cat and dog safe no and no. But this is good to use on spider veins, which that sounds amazing. I wonder if it really works. I guess it should, right? That's what it's for. So next we have is cypress. Cypress is for calming, purifying, cleans, deodorizes, balances oily skin. Safety, always dilute before using on your skin. Kid safe 2 plus, pregnancy safe, yes. Cat and dog safe, use caution. Caution, caution. Now we have is orange essential oil, uplifting, muscle pain relief, aids digestion, cleans. Safety, always dilute before using on your skin. Kid safe, 2+. Pregnancy safe, yes. Cat safe, no. Dog safe, to diffuse and to use. So this is good around dogs, but not around cats. Then we have, is this patchouli? That's how I've been saying it. Calms, improves appearance of skin, repels insects. Ooh, if this works for mosquitoes, I'm gonna be sprinkling this on me like as if it's like, like perfume, because I can't stand mosquitoes and they always find me and bite me. Even in my house, my work, wherever, they follow me. So I wonder if this works for that. Repels insects. Always dilute before using on your skin. I'll put this in a water bottle and just spray it on me. Kid safe, 2+. Pregnancy safe, consult your doctor. Cat safe and dog safe, to diffuse and to use. So this is okay to use around cats and dogs. And then it talks about the lava beads, which has porous material, absorbs oils, and helps diffuse into the air. They're a great way to creatively diffuse oils into the air. An inhaler is a great option for quick emotional support. And extras is the diffuser reeds, which they're naturally reeds slowly release essential oils into the air. They are great for adding aroma to small spaces. And I love putting these in my bathroom. And yeah, so that is everything that came in this box. A sneak peek for next month is the theme is Home Detox Box. Throwing out the toxin chemicals in your home, one recipe at a time. Oils are going to be clean and fresh essential oil, tea tree, peppermint, and lemongrass. Recipes that you will be making is a shine spray, gunk remover, beeswax furniture polish, grout scrub, happy home diffuser blend, and work better roll-on. The extras will be a spray bottle, a 1-ounce container, and bamboo toothbrush. Things you will need at home would be vinegar and baking soda. Those are easy to have around. So there's a sneak peek at next month with the theme and what we'll be making. And then it says, we're making a difference with disrupting traffic. Each month, Simply Earth donates 13% to organizations working to end human trafficking. By buying this box and choosing Simply Earth, you're not only making your home toxin-free, but you're always helping to rescue people out of modern day slavery. Now, that's the 13% that they donate to, which I love that they do that. So they're going with disrupting traffic right there. So that is amazing. And I really do tell you guys that I like this box because they give you the recipes, they give you the tools and knowledge. They have forums. You can go on their Facebook. You can see them actually making them. If you have any questions or doubts, you can see them making them before you start and dive in. But they're very simple, step-by-step instructions. They make it very easy to get your home nice and clean and using toxin-free chemicals, which is awesome. So now I'm going to go ahead and go over the bonus box to show you guys. And this, again, if you use my code SheCrafty free, you will not only get this bonus box at sign up, but you'll also get a $40 gift card that you can use on a future purchase. So when you get this, that's what it looks like. They always give you 4 essential oils. They give you 6 recipes to make every single month. It's always up to 150 or more value that you get. And it's only $39 every month. And it's free shipping to the United States. So inside the bonus box, you would get beeswax. So you get this big old thing of beeswax because some of the recipes that you might need will be using beeswax. And then you just grab your bonus box and there you go. Then let me remove all of these. Okay, so then you get this big old thing of coconut oil, and this is a big thing of coconut oil because again, some recipes will call for coconut oil, and then you just grab this and you're good to go. This one is sealed. I do have another one that is open from my previous box, so I don't want to open this one just yet, but it is a big thing of coconut oil. Then you have carrier oils. You have the almond oil and coconut oil. Both of these come, trying to find a way to put them. Both of these come in this box as well. So those are like the main goods that you use to help like coincide with the recipes. And then you get, so there's 6 of this little guy, and then you just have this little top. And that's where you can put the sticker like on the side of this so you know what's inside. And if you want to make the diffuser blends, you can either put the drop by drop in your diffuser, or it gives you the recipe to make a vial of it. So then you could just stick your sticker on here and you already have it pre-ready, and you just do a little drop or two into your diffuser and you already have it all set. So then here's the roller balls. So there's 6 of these as well, and it does have the little roller ball on top, and whatever you're making, you just stick in the bottom. This just pops right off. You pour your solution in here, put your roller ball right back on, and secure the lid. And again, you just use your sticker, cut it out, and put it right over it, and you know what you'll be balling. Balling. I don't know. You'll know what you'll be rolling on because they'll have you covered with your sticker on there. So that's what comes in the bonus box. And you will get this guy free if you use SheCrafty free. So you get 6 roller balls, 6 of these little guys, the 2 carrier oils, the big thing of coconut oil, and the beeswax. So I'm so glad that I was able to show you guys the bonus box in case any of you have missed it and you're wondering, what is in that bonus box that you talk about? That's what's in that bonus box. So again, you guys, that is everything that I have for you. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the recipes this month? What did you think of the items this month? Are you excited about next month's theme? Let me know. Your positive interaction with me means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Crafty Crew, out.